hurricane going on in the background.
Yeah.
You can see it here on the wind.
You can see my hair.
Oh boy.
Really, really windy.
Yep, and here, back in the garage.
We're gonna build some
Windows.
shelves. Back
16
here,
feet.
all the way across here. From this window all the way over to that window. You'll recognize this Tupperware. She got some inspo from us, so this is this is the before.
Yeah.
Give them a little circle all the way around.
All this junk. Look at all this shit everywhere.
Shit everywhere.
Oh my
We're
god.
gonna make it perfect.
All
We're
right.
circling too fast. Welcome back. It's day 2. Hurricane is gone. Josh said I have to talk faster, so this is take 2.
Is this how you always do it?
Yep. Never
This
too,
is only how the experts do it.
never too big to have fun.
Yeah. Day 3 of garage takeover. Welcome back to this episode of Garage Wars / Beautifying Takeover. This is the end result of everything that we did in the garage in North Carolina. So on this side of the wall, you can see where we hang some fishing poles and just kind of reorganize this. It's a monster that you guys have probably already seen in the beginning video of the shelves that we built. You can climb up here. My in-laws are not planning on climbing their happy asses up this, but they can if they want to. We have some ladders so they can do what they please on it. But one of our favorite spots is on this side of the garage where we custom built all sorts of shelving. And this makes us like, oh, this is what we fucking do. Like this makes us so happy. So everything that was, as I'm spilling my vodka down my hands, sorry. Over here, we kind of just went through some of the stuff and organized all the drawers. Everything is open and accessible. So just kind of like the little things that make us happy, like grab and go type of shit. And then over here is just the last little custom built thing for their ladder. This is Yosh's, perfected little experiment of a ladder holder, and then their boots. So all of the spiders and little miceys and stuff can't live in there. And then the bottom is just another custom shelf by Yosh for their shoes. And that's it. So if you want to around a huge rush, just kind of, Christy, shut up and stop talking. Okay, thank you for watching. If you're still here, we love you guys. Bye.